That's what everybody say. 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 It's your favorite Beesh, Brittney Beesh, and I'm going to be starting my like super quick tutorial videos now. I'm trying to make these videos like 5 minutes or shorter. Yeah, just so that this can be like the 3rd video of the week. Because who doesn't want a short, get to the point vid? I do. So let me stop rambling and get into it actually. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to slick your natural 4C hair. Because I love the slick look and I could never get it on my hair. There was always like this lump right here. Because I like a side. There was always a lump right here or a lump in the middle. I'm going to show you guys how to slick it down with your own hair. No using any extra hair. Listen, it is a struggle to get like a nice flat look when you're working with this. So, first things first, your favorite styler, whether it's a cream or a gel. I love Eco Styler Gel because it's cheap and always accessible. And then 2 scrunchies, and then you're gonna part it wherever you want it, if it's in the middle or if it's on the side. I like a curved side part, as curved as I can get it, because you know I'm not a stylist. The only thing about using Eco Styler Gel is that if you use shea butter products, it flakes when it comes into contact with it, so be careful. And then your favorite edge control too, because we need a good edge control. Alright, so now we have our parts and we are actually going to section off our hair. Oh my gosh. We're going to section off our hair. Right? It doesn't have to be perfect, just a section. Okay? And then you're gonna take your gel. You're gonna need a generous amount too, because remember what we're working with, okay? We are working with this mane right here. And then we're gonna take our brush. And our first scrunchie. And you're just going to tie that super tightly around our first ponytail. Like, get it as tight as possible. And then drag it even tighter. Okay, we're going for hair on flat, okay? Boom. So this is our first ponytail. Now, you undo the front of your hair. And then we're going to take more gel, and then you're going to get a generous amount of that on your hair. If you don't like gel, use whatever you like. I know flaxseed gel is really good for your hair. Or if you want to use a pomade or mousse, whatever works for you, honestly. You're gonna gel it like you're gelling an entire ponytail, even though you're not even gonna see these parts, but it just makes it lay flatter. Whoop. Right? Boom, boom. Brush it, brush it, brush it, brush it. And I like for my ponytail, I like for my bun to look textured, so I don't really like bring the gel out to the ends, but you can if you want to get that curly look. But I like for my buns to look puffy, if that makes any sense. Okay. And then here's where you're gonna want like a flatter brush. And then you're going to gradually work the hair around. So focus more on the thicker part. If you're parting it in the middle, you have to focus on both, but this lays super flat very easily. This is our problem area. So you're gonna have to make sure that you are working with it, okay? Use whatever styling tools you need and just get it flat.
like glue it down to your head, okay? So I like a combo of a fine-tooth comb, a paddle brush, and we call them a rough brush. What do you call those brushes? Bristle brush. And then look at how flat she is, bruh. Look at that, look at that. But I like mine to come like in my face more, so we'll bring it over more. And we're gonna make this look way cooler, so just hold on. Pull that behind your ear, push this back, and then you're going to gather it all up and then take your other hair tie, wrap it around as tight as possible. As tight as possible, okay? Do not let all your work go to waste. I just like to leave it like that and then just fluff it out. And then kind of wrap it around, you know, the messy bun look. And then I just take a pin and I pin a piece of it in place. And you know, natural hair is like super moldable, so I don't even have to really do much for it to look like that. And it just stays. Boom. Right? We're already kind of cute. We're almost there. But I like a little swoop, you know what I'm saying? I like a little swoop. So we are going to take an edge brush and some edge control. Today we're using Gorilla Snot. I would not recommend this because it flakes, but somebody stole my other one that doesn't flake, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna get into that, okay? You take some, and then we're gonna work section by section, okay? And then don't be afraid to get the edge control a little bit on your hair because the gel works, but it doesn't get it like super duper flat, okay? And these are not baby hairs. These are full-blown adult hairs. Just throwing that out there, okay? This look is dramatic. So we like a dramatic adult hair. Yes. You're just going to swivel with it, okay? Yes. Bring it down into the hair, make sure it all connects. You see the first swoop? It's like a little whoop. And then you go right under that one. We like a little sideburn into the earlobe. And yes! Okay, and then our comb part of our edge brush, or you can take the regular comb and kind of just comb it so that there's no line of demarcation. And we're done with the first part. Look at that finger wave, girl. Yes! We are done. We are sleeked. Our edges are laid. Who would have thought that could turn into this? This took trial and error, but this is the easiest way that we can get the bald look. We can get the hair on flat, okay? No pins necessary, no extra hairs, no nothing. Just a little finesse, And if you really wanted to stay super duper flat, you just tie it down with a headscarf while you're on your way to like your day, work, class. Take off the headscarf in the car and girl, it's not moving. I love this look. This is my favorite look to do right now. I just be feeling like I'm going to church, I'm going to a meeting, I'm going to handle business. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
That's what everybody say. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.